Namaste and welcome, everyone. Are you in Andhra Pradesh working tirelessly to make a difference? Securing funding can be a constant challenge, but what if we told you there's a simpler way? Welcome to Cause Connect, where we empower NGOs like yours to unlock vital CSR funding and amplify your impact. The funding challenge. Finding the right funding opportunities and navigating the application process can be time-consuming and overwhelming. Many NGOs struggle to connect with relevant CSR initiatives in Andhra Pradesh. That's where Cause Connect comes in. We offer comprehensive support, from identifying funding opportunities to crafting compelling proposals and connecting you with the right CSR partners. And the best part? Our donor matching service is completely free. Andhra Pradesh has a vibrant CSR ecosystem with numerous companies investing in local communities. Let's explore some key opportunities. Arvind Pharma Foundation focuses on education, healthcare, and infrastructure development. If your Mo works in these sectors, they could be a valuable funding partner. Ultratech Cement is committed to water conservation and sustainable agriculture, particularly in the Anantapur and Nandiyal regions. If your Mo's work aligns with these areas, Ultratech Cement is worth exploring. Based in Visakhapatnam, Gland Pharma supports crucial initiatives for children's education and community health, often partnering with organizations like Akshaya Patra. If your Mo operates in these areas, Gland Pharma could be an excellent match. Andhra Paper Limited, with operations in Rajmundry and Kadiyam, funds projects related to public health, education, and community engagement. They are a potential funding source for NGOs working in these regions. WNS Global Services promotes education and digital literacy through its mobile libraries in underserved areas like Vizag. If your Mo focuses on education or digital inclusion, WNS could be a valuable partner. Beyond local companies, many national CSR foundations also support projects in Andhra Pradesh. Our donor matching service will connect you with these broader opportunities as well. Our free donor matching service simplifies the funding search. We analyze your Mo's needs and connect you with relevant CSR funders, both local and national. Our free donor matching service simplifies the funding search. We analyze your Mo's needs and connect you with relevant CSR funders, both local and national. We offer a range of support services to strengthen your Mo, from crafting winning proposals to building strong relationships with funders. Ready to unlock funding for your Mo in Andhra Pradesh? Visit our website today for a complete list of CSR companies and fill out the Google form in the description to access our free donor matching service. Subscribe to our channel for more funding tips and resources. Thank you for watching.